It's Northfield side for you. Kings Norton, Selly Oak down there. Holy Castle, Woodgate, Quinton. Well, this is Northfield. Yeah? And what's up in Northfield? Hello? You alright? Yeah, yeah. This is Northfield. See what's up in Northfield. Northfield, I don't even know what you call this, but shopping center. Yeah, Northfield Shopping Center. Yeah. Northfield Post Office. Northfield area supervisor. Camera there. Private parking for a church, Upgrove. Northfield Baptist Church, Ashgrove. Private parking for a church. So where's the church? Oh, that must be the church down there. It's fucking cool. Church. Yeah, Northfield Baptist Church. It's a new church. It's a new building. The same one like them, one like that, the next one. That's a gambling spot. Oh, but you get. Welcome to Northfield Shopping Center. Electric charging. Rapid electric charging point. KFC. Lamb chops. Line junk food on the road. down this far, Northfield. Oh, the vape shit. Look a stroll down the Northfield. Couple British men there. Got the flag on his hat. Oh, I've been down there before. I just don't remember. I just don't remember. Sainsbury over there. I'm going over there. I think this is the Bristol Road back again. But yeah. Northfield for people. King's Heath. Oh, King's Heath down that way. Yeah, King's Manhattan. Partridge. Northfield Leisure Centre. Yeah. Ain't nothing in Northfield really. Stroll up at the road. It's the Clock Cafe. Like that pair clock in there. Eat in or take out. But yes, Northfield for you. I don't know. I don't know if most kids them going in trouble. But yeah. Not feel. Okay, let's see.
Wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
to KFC. Now, gonna stroll down Northfield and see what else the road got to offer. Up. We're going now. Northfield. Hello. HSBC. Let me know what y'all people think about that little walk up Northfield. It's a building with no name, no sign, nothing. There. Playland Museum, a whole heap of gambling spot. Born to and from city centre every 5 minutes. Northfield Shopping Centre, going there, going there. So. See what's got in there. King of Trainers. Oh, I didn't even know that was around there. That's the Northfield for your people. Right product. Over. Chicken. I'm just mumbling. Only on my chicken right now, blood. I'm not sure now if you're hard for me. Oh, it's right. It's not cold now. Nice and warm. That's how I feel right now. Until I stop out there for a bit. But yeah, Northfield for your people. Anybody don't know Northfield, Now you know. Once you watch King Fire video, you know Northfield. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, share. I think I done my duty for the day. I'm gonna leave it to that. Nothing much down there to see.